Here's a completely overview of the coconut MCT oil benefits for ketosis, health and performance. MCT oil is a supplement often added to smoothies and salad dressings. As the name suggests, medium-chain triglyceride, MCT oil contains medium-length chains of fats called triglycerides. Due to their shorter length, MCTs are easily digested and many health benefits are linked to the way your body processes these fats. MCT oil is most commonly extracted from coconut oil, as more than 50% of the fat in coconut oil comes from MCTs. These fats are also found in many other foods, such as palm oil and dairy products. Here are science-backed benefits you can get from adding coconut MCT oil to your diet. MCTs pack some pretty powerful health benefits. Among them are weight loss, improved brain function and reduced fatigue. MCTs also help boost the immune system and improve the digestive process, thanks to their antimicrobial properties. Here's why you should take MCT oil. 1. Weight control. As we stated before, MCTs are mostly used in the body as energy, which helps you decrease the amount of fatty tissue you have because it increases energy production. This is because MCTs are not stored as fat like glucose and other fatty acids are. Research shows that MCTs also help reduce the risk of obesity by stimulating weight loss and preventing long-term weight gain. Additionally, MCTs have been shown to enhance the thermogenesis process, or the process in which your body produces heat as a way to burn energy. You might experience thermogenesis when you exercise or when it's hot outside. The idea is that when your inner body temperature rises, it causes you to burn more calories. This increase in heat also causes you to burn more fat and helps you control your weight. 2. Better cognitive function. MCT oil is often referred to as rocket fuel for your brain because it supplies a constant stream of energy, which means that you won't experience highs and lows like you would with glucose. Additionally, MCTs can be broken down in the liver to provide your brain with ketones, so you always have a backup plan when you need a boost. Ketones are special because they are able to cross the blood-brain barrier, which means that they provide the brain with quick fuel. Research shows that ketone bodies are an efficient fuel for the brain. They may also be able to improve memory and cognition in patients with dementia. 3. Protection against metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a term used to describe a group of conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Research shows that MCTs help protect against metabolic syndrome to keep your heart healthy because they have anticoagulation and cholesterol-lowering abilities. In other words, MCTs help reduce cholesterol in the liver and other tissues. They also promote blood flow to prevent blood clots and reduce the risk of a heart attack. Additionally, MCTs have a hypoglycemic effect in the body, which means that they reduce the amount of glucose in the blood to stabilize your levels and prevent crashes. Research shows that people with type 2 diabetes who eat a diet high in MCTs can improve their insulin sensitivity. Even if you don't have diabetes, you can use MCT oils to stabilize your blood sugar levels after eating a meal high in glucose. 4. Digestive support. Your gut is an extremely important area of your body. It's the place where nutrients are absorbed and distributed throughout your entire body. Gut is also the place where almost all of your immune cells live, so the health of your gut is not just important for digesting food. It's an imperative part of keeping you healthy. MCTs improve your digestive health by balancing the bacteria in your gut. In other words, they make sure that your microbiome, which is made of all sorts of bacteria, stays healthy. Research shows that MCT has a positive effect on intestinal bacteria, which allows your gut to defend against threats, optimize your energy levels by enhancing the nutrient absorption process, and boosting your immunity to guard against diseases. Because of its high fat content, MCT oil also helps you absorb vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from your food, which allows you to utilize them better to keep the rest of your body healthy. For example, the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K require the presence of dietary fat to be absorbed. The minerals calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus also need dietary fat for absorption. Because they have anti-inflammatory properties, MCTs can be used to reduce inflammation in the gut that is responsible for digestive disorders and symptoms such as constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and pain. When used in combination with a diet that's low in refined sugars and carbohydrates, MCT oil can help reduce your digestive symptoms, keep you regular, and protect against potentially harmful bacteria and viruses. 5. Antimicrobial properties. Research shows that MCTs contain antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties that help keep us healthy. Specifically, MCTs have been shown to kill pathogens that may cause throat infections, sinus infections and other strains that cause stomach viruses, ulcers and candida etc. In fact, research shows that MCTs can be used to prevent many pathogenic viruses thanks to the lauric acid content in MCT. Other health benefits of MCT oil. Energy. MCTs are quickly metabolized. This makes them an immediate source of energy. They even cross the blood-brain barrier and provide energy to the brain. Hormones. As a source of healthy fats, MCTs may help to promote hormone creation and balancing, leading to more desirable hormone levels. Weight loss. MCTs can increase fat oxidation and metabolism, while lowering fat storage. Studies also show that MCTs can help decrease hunger, which may promote weight loss. Keto flu. MCT oil is often recommended when you begin a keto diet. It can help reduce keto flu symptoms and make the transition easier. Ready to start your keto diet? If you're interested in trying the keto diet to lose weight or manage your health, but unsure how to eat, and what to avoid, don't worry. We've put together a keto diet resources with everything you need to know to guide you through the first month. Get started now. Visit the link in description.